Hello guys, welcome to Khou Aja. Today we'll be drawing a cute hamster. First of all, we start with making two dots. Make them a bit bolder. Then, a small circle under the two dots. It will look like eyes and nose. And then, we draw two tiny curves to make it look like a mustache. And draw a circle connecting from the tip of the tiny curve to another side. Like this. Then leave every tiny dots in the circle. Make it 4 dots like this. After that, draw half of a small circle touching with the bigger one. Cannot see it clearly? See the same pattern on this side. Like this. We'll be drawing the face. Now we start from here drawing the curve to make the lower part in flat to look like the cheek. Like this. Then draw another short straight line to the other side. Like this. And now we draw half of an oval to make the ear. Then add a line in the middle of the ear. Also, draw a smaller ear on the other side, like so. And now we connect the head from an ear to another one. Here we are. Now let's draw a curve from the cheek, like this. Then another small curve here, like this. Perfect. So cute! We draw another curve here. Make it a belly-like. After that, draw another curve from another side. Like this. Perfect. Now, draw half of a small oval with tiny foot. Also, another side and make it parallel with the eye. Ta-da! And then, connect the tiny foot with the body, like so. And connect the 2 feet with a line. Give the hamster the toe. Cute, tiny like this. Ta-da! Good job guys! That's it guys, I'll see you in the next episode.